Remaining in the World Cup mode, I want to talk about a big baller this evening. A World Cup legend, a two-time World Cup champion, the Brazilian Ronaldo, aka the Phenom, or Fat Man, or R9. Let me say this, R9 at his best was the most complete number 9 to have ever played the game of football. When you talk about pace, skill, power, composure, as instinctive a centre forward as you could find, Ronaldo was a 17-year-old substitute when Brazil won the World Cup title in 1994. He should have won a second title in 1998 when it was reported he got mysteriously ill on the day of the final against France in France, and Brazil went on to lose the final. But all doubts about his true World Cup greatness were erased when Ronaldo spearheaded the Brazilian 3-hour attack that went on to win Brazil's most recent World Cup title in 2002, hitting a double in the final against Germany. The original Ronaldo, to my mind, could have been and should have been right there in the greatest ever conversation. When you consider how talented and just how good he was, R9 was just not at his best for long enough periods in his career, mostly because of injuries, and then in the latter stages, he had some major weight issues. But again, as a pure and lethal striker who could create as well as he could finish, for me, the quintessential number 9 who delivered on the World Cup stage. There are very few, if any, players in the history of the game who was as good and as efficient and as effective as a complete striker as Ronaldo Nazario de Lima. The original Ronaldo. Oh!